Crash your bird right away. Maybe it won't work. Take it off the top. We might need to be not on the grass. We might need to be on flat surface altogether. Give it another try. If not, let me try it. Oh, there you go. You're up. Oh, what the hell? What did it hit? It sounded like it hit something. You like it and love it?
It was twitching.
I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Right, so we get this.
I'm going to try and follow it this time. Ready, go. That was better. Oh, man, you're on camera. Crash.
Huh?
I love it.
It's in.
Trip. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, and I wrecked before I got to the road. I'm over the road. I'm done for. Did you reach your max distance?
Yeah.
Mine makes it all the way down.
They gave me some extra propellers.
Huh?
They actually they gave me some extra of those blades.
Oh, in case they get
Yeah.
they probably do get tore up. That's probably part of it. Why do you keep it going that way though? Why can't I get it to come this way?
I don't know. Careful, don't let it go too far.
Yeah, your turn when I get it. Stop the camera. Off-road and it made it bad. And I thought it would. Ready to move on? Yeah. Alright, go do the boat real quick. So go play with the boat real quick, but I want to do one thing first. I was really able to get it up to speed over there because it's so flat. Eddie asked how come he feels so short. What do you think the correct answer is, everybody? Cause you are short! Hey, Jack, in your seat. Up. Yes, little man. Shut up. Eddie's driving. We had fun. Did we have fun at the park?
Yes, we did.
Played with our remote control vehicles?
Yes.
Which is one of the few toys I remember getting. Remote control toys are one of the few things that I really remember from my childhood and enjoying. So I kind of wanted to bring those memories back. I'll talk about that later.